Propidad distributiva.
Distributive property.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a new way I just learned to do times. Today it's going to be 8 times 8. So first what we're going to do is we're going to draw we're going to be doing a matriz, and we're going to also be doing propiedad distributiva.
So we're making an array and do the distributive property.
So first, we're gonna draw the array, and we're gonna put 8 columns and 8 lines. Rows. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's bad because it's like crooked, but.
All right.
6, 7, 8. There we're going to draw 7 besides these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're just going to keep doing that.
So would you want to do this for like bigger numbers, like 10 times 10, 20 times 20? You want to draw all these circles? If it was like 50 times 50, are you going to draw all those circles?
No.
Why not?
Because that would take too long.
Yeah.
And then, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw this problem over because I put this box there and it's not supposed to be there for the equation I'm doing. So, I'm going to do 8 times 8 equals. Alright, and then you're going to split this up in 2. It doesn't have to be equal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't have to be equal. So we're going to separate like that. And it's going to be 3 times 8.
That's so cool.
And 5.
Oh, you write your 5 so weird.
I know. Times 8.
That's so cool. It's like the box kind of.
And then you're going to draw 8 times 8 equals 5 times 8 plus 3 times 8. 3 times.
Why is there a plus sign?
8, because it's 5 times 8 plus 3 times 8, and 5 plus 3 equals 8.
What are these things called? That you put around the numbers?
I don't know what those are called.
Well, what did your teacher tell you to do with them? Or like how to use
She
them?
just said to write them here because it makes it like...
It separates them?
Mm-hmm.
So those are called parentheses, and it helps you like group your numbers.
Alright, and then you can put equal sign. So 5 times 8 is...
What is 5 times 8?
40.
So you
So
put your fingernails on soccer hands.
it would be 40 plus 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. So it would be 40 plus 24 equals 64.
That's dope. Can I give you a challenge problem?
Yes.
See if you know how to do it right.
Let's do it.
So I'm gonna ask, see if you can do this problem. What if we did 12 times 15? Have you ever done a problem that big in school?
I did it bigger than
Or
that.
multiplication? Alright, show me. I don't believe you.
Alright. Just record my face because I need to Alright. 12. Okay. Let's try to do this a little fast.
What are you doing right now?
Making a matriz array. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'll record
5.
again when you finish it. Matriz going, it's taking you forever.
I know. But just wait, you'll see.
Like, do you have to do this every time?
No,
Why do you like doing it?
because I feel like it's easier way to like. Oops, I made that one too close, so I'm just gonna turn that one into 1. Because I feel like it's easier way and it helps me more figure out things.
Okay. Like, what does it help you figure out to have the picture?
Like, because I'm not that good at like doing like word problems.
So like,
Because I have trouble.
when you do a word problem, you like to draw pictures?
Mm-hmm.
That's all. I always tell my kids that, to draw a picture first. Did your teacher tell you to draw that, or you just figured it out on your own?
She said to draw it.
You're gonna run out of ink, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Are you, like, so here's my question. You know how, like, 12, 15, you can multiply that? Like, if you draw this picture right, could you count all of those to figure out how many there is?
Mm-hmm. No.
Why not?
Well, you could. Well, you shouldn't, because it takes a really long time.
Yeah. I mean, I'm like, it's taking you so long just to make it. Go for it.
Alright, let's do this. So then, where it says equals, you can put that, and then you wait, 9 times 15, 3 times 15. And then you're going to put 3 times 15 plus 9 times
Is that because 9 plus 3 equals 12?
Mm-hmm.
So you basically broke up the 12 into 2 different parts?
Yes.
Like if you had 3 of something and
It's
9
a
of
quicker
something.
and easier way, but when you're doing this, it makes it a little longer.
So like what you're saying is like you could do 12 times 15, but you don't really know those numbers, but you know 3 and 9.
Mm-hmm.
So my question to you is, wouldn't it make sense then to try and break up 15 into smaller numbers? Or do you think you can handle it?
I think I can handle it.
Oh, let's see.
Let's try it. So 30. So 10 plus 10 30 times 10 3 times is 30. 30 plus what?
So you did 10 3 times,
Mm-hmm.
but you're not multiplying by 10. What do you multiply by?
Oh, 30 plus 15.
And how'd you
45.
Get 15? How'd you get 15?
Because 5 times 3 equals 15.
So you broke the 10 or the 15 up into 10 and 5. Okay, so you got 45.
45. Then you're gonna write 45 plus. Oh, let's take the time. Plus 9 times 15 equals 90 plus. Wait, hold up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 plus 90. 45 plus 90. Dad, help me.
Okay, well, can you make 100?
45 plus 90.
There you go. Look at you.
Let's use this page. 40 plus 90 equals 130. So 5 plus 0 is obviously 5 plus 0, is obviously 5.
You're adding the ones.
So that would be 135.
Okay.
135. And then we're going to add 135 plus 45 equals, so 30 plus 40
So you're adding the, what are you adding right now?
equals 70.
Why'd you add
The
those?
tens.
Okay.
Because they're easier. And then 5 plus 5 is obviously 10. So 70 plus 10 is 80. Plus 100, 180. So it's 180.
Bang, bang. So can you bring it back to your original problem? What equals 180?
Yes. What?
So what's the original problem that you were solving?
12 times 15.
I don't believe you. Let's ask Google. Hey Google, what's 12 times 15?
The answer is 180.
I got it right! Look at Mom!
Let me just get your work. I think this is awesome. I'm gonna
Wait, you have to give me a PR or something like that?
PR?
Or advanced?
I'd say you get a PR in content, and then in terms of math practice 3, justifying your work and constructing an argument, and also you built a pretty good model, I'd give you advanced, because that was a great explanation.
Thank you. I love doing this. It's my favorite. And I got this one right. The hardest one, 12 times 15 equals 180. Comment down below if you did this with me and got it right. Also, this is my favorite way so far for this year of using for math multiplication. I hope you guys learned something. Peace.